Your Honor, just a simple question. My so-called dear, if your son comes here right now or you meet him in the streets, will he recognize you?
Your Honor.
Will he recognize you?
She is
Good
exaggerating.
question. Answer the question. Very good question.
Your Honor.
Why would she ask such a thing?
Your Honor.
Such a question.
She is exaggerating. My
Will
son
he
Martin,
recognize you?
I mean,
Even he doesn't know the name.
Your son Martin.
my son Felix, Your Honor. You see, Your Honor, I can't remember his name because he's not even my son, Your Honor.
What do you mean he's not your son?
I have valid reason to believe that she has been cheating on me, Your Honor. And that Felix thing is not my son, Your Honor.
Cecilia,
Yes, Your Honor.
could there be any reason why your husband would doubt the paternity of your son?
Your Honor, that boy was born 8 months after my trip from Mombasa.
Your Honor, when they talked
you
about
explain, Your
premature
Honor?
birth,
Let him explain. Let him explain.
No,
You're coming- I'm
listen
not-
to me.
Cecilia, I'll give you a moment. I'll give you a time. to
8
say-
months after my trip from Mombasa. And according to my biology class, it takes 9 months for a child to be born, right? Exactly. That kid is not mine, Your Honor.
Cecilia,
And that's the reason why immediately after my trip from Mombasa, she couldn't wait to give me, her goodies. Exactly. 8 months.
Your Honor,
Honor.
he's just saying this because when he came back, I couldn't give me a test of mine. Why?
Cecilia, let's skip to the question. Are you sure he is the father of your
Yes,
son?
Your Honor, I am sure. Let me tell you one thing that he does not know. When they talked about premature birth, you went and visited the washrooms, as usual. Your
Oh, so you
Honor.
had a premature
Yes.
delivery. Okay. And the doctor said that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your husband know about your premature?
Of course, he has to visit the washrooms and plant more seeds.
And you're sure Felix is his son, who we can't recognize?
100% sure.
Mr. Monzo, you got 3 children there who you don't even know how they're doing.
He knows nothing, Your Honor. Nothing.
So, Mr. Monzo,
Yes,
you
Your
doubt your son and you've asked for a paternity test,
Yes, Your Honor.
which I believe was done by a government doctor.
Yes, Your Honor. They told me the same thing, but I don't trust them, Your Honor. I don't trust them.
Why don't you trust them?
Your Honor, one of the nurses in the hospital is a friend, and probably they had organized this entire saga so that at least they can, I cannot question the
Was I
early
there when you
delivery.
went?
Mr. Monzo,
Yes, Your Honor.
just to get you in order, they might have done it now, but this is the government officer who did it, a government doctor, qualified, who did the DNA tests. And this court doesn't have knowledge of knowing each other. We do things as supposed. This is a court of law, right? Mr. Monzo,
Yes, Your Honor.
you seem so confident that your wife is cheating on you.
Yes, Your Honor. I have my sister here. She lives a couple of blocks away from our home. And she's the one who watches over my family when I'm not around. She used to tell me about my wife cheating. And I used to ignore her. How I wish I did not question her in the first place, Your Honor.
So, are we with her here? Is she with us here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to call her as a witness?
Sure.
Sorry.